Hello and welcome to the Flutter Fairy. Let's create magic together. So in today's video, we will go through a live coding session following this tutorial. And this is a newer tutorial updated on April 29, and it's a relatively advanced tutorial. This is also my first time going through this tutorial, so we will do this together. And if you are new to Flutter, you can check out other tutorial for beginner level. But this one, I will also explain along the way while we are doing it. So let's get started. It says 53 minutes remaining. Let's see how long it will take us. And I haven't coding for like a complete new Flutter app for quite a while, so it's very new for me, and we will explore together. So okay, this is to build a word puzzle app. Look at that, it looks really complicated, and the reason I'm interested into it is to see how to use Flutter to quickly build such a complicated interactive gaming kind of app. And I really hope we can build something where my 7-year-old daughter can play on my phone, and that would be very cool. And let's see if we can do it. Okay, so imagine being asked whether it's possible to create the world's largest crossword puzzle. Wow. You recall some AI techniques that you studied at school and wonder whether you can use Flutter to explore the algorithm options to create solutions to computationally intense problems. I will not read all, but it's basically to use code and different techniques to build such complicated app. Let's see how complicated it will be. And this is how it looks like on an Android app emulator. So yeah, as it mentioned, the prerequisite is to complete your first Flutter app, and we will go through this in the other episode, maybe you can find it in my channel. And today we will learn how to use isolates to do computationally expensive work without impeding Flutter's render loop, with a combination of Flutter's compute function and reverse select rebuild filters value catching capabilities. Number 2, how to take advantage of immutable data structure with build value and build collection to make the search-based good old-fashioned AI technique like depth first search and backtracking easy to implement. And how to use this library two-dimensional scrollable package to display great data in a fast and intuitive way. What you will need: the Flutter SDK and VS Code with Flutter and Dart plugin computer software. Okay, that's straightforward. If you don't have Flutter, maybe in the next video I will show you. Let's click next. Create a project. Launch VS Code. In command line, enter Flutter new, select Flutter new project, and select empty application. And then name your project generate crossword. Okay. Then we will change the pubspec.yaml file. So let me make it smaller. Okay, so before we start, I just created the generated crossword. I haven't started coding anything. I was literally going to this step. Then I thought about, okay, it's more fun to make a video to do together. So let's first explore. This is the brand new Flutter app with nothing in there, and we have several folders for some 𝒂𝒑𝒑𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂 folder, Linux, macros, web, Windows, ignore. Okay. Wow. I think my Flutter version is outdated, and we will also update together. So if we had to pub YAML, so this is the current one, and we don't have package yet. That's why we want to copy and paste this one and copy paste here. That's the first step. So they have several dependencies. These are for the code generation, Flutter report, and addition. Yeah, it all looks good. And then the pub.yaml file specifies basic information about your apps, such as its current version, in dependence. Where it says, yeah, the version, dependence. This is the Flutter. Open main.dar in the lab directory. Replace the content with this one. Okay, sounds easy. Delete and copy. Great. So we have a void main function. This is the entry of the app where we call the run app function with provider scope. This is from the provider. Then we build not provider, I mean report. And then we have this material app, title, theme data, scaffold, where hello world. Run this code and check everything works. It should display a new window with something like this. So no, the full size content view. In fact, on Mac OS was a chip modified in.
Here's what I found.
No. Okay. Okay. So what did this say? So my eyes not very good, but I don't like to wear glasses. Maybe later, it's just not comfortable. So you will see me looking screen like this. I'm not sure. Okay, let's first run it. How do we run the app? Okay, I believe yes. I should debug my. Right, we can move this to here. So while we are running, I want to do something. So here on the terminal, as we can see, I run the Flutter doctor, where my current version is 3.19. Maybe let's just keep it. Here you are. This is a web-based. I think it would be more fun with the desktop version. Hello world. That's it. A simple crossword builder. Let me close it.